Sun Moon Lake is located in Yuqi Township in Nantou County, right in the center of Taiwan. It's the largest natural lake in the country and one of the most popular places for travelers visiting Taiwan. The name Sun Moon Lake comes from the shape of the lake itself. The eastern side is round like the sun, while the western side curves like a crescent moon. The lake is surrounded by mountains, and the water is calm and crystal clear. Every season offers a different view, making it a beautiful place to visit all year round. In the early morning, the lake is often covered with soft mist, creating a magical atmosphere. In the evening, the sunset reflects on the water and turns the whole lake golden, attracting photographers and travelers from around the world. There are several popular ways to explore Sun Moon Lake. One of the most classic experiences is taking a boat ride across the lake. The boats usually stop at several main piers, including Shuisei Pier, Tao Pier, and Shuangguang Pier, allowing visitors to explore different areas around the lake. Another very popular activity is cycling around the lake. The Sun Moon Lake Bike Path was once listed by CNN as one of the most beautiful cycling routes in the world. As you ride along the path, you can enjoy stunning views of the lake, forests, and surrounding mountains. If you want to see the lake from above, you can also take the Sun Moon Lake cable car. The cable car connects the lake to the Formosan Aboriginal Culture Village, offering breathtaking aerial views of the lake and the mountains. Around the lake, there are also many famous landmarks, such as Wenwu Temple, Xianpaga, Shuangguang Temple, and Xuanzang Temple. Near Shuangguang Temple, you'll find one of the most famous snacks in the area, Grandma's tea eggs. Almost every visitor stops by to try one. Sun Moon Lake is also home to the Thao people, one of Taiwan's indigenous tribes. Near Thao Pier, visitors can experience Thao culture and try traditional foods such as bamboo rice, wild boar meat, and millet wine. Whether you take a boat ride, cycle around the lake, or simply walk along the shore and enjoy the scenery, Sun Moon Lake is a place where you can slow down and truly appreciate nature. If you're visiting Taiwan, Sun Moon Lake is definitely a destination worth adding to your travel list. If this journey has left you with wonderful memories, you might want to bring home a souvenir from Sun Moon Lake, so the trip doesn't just stay in photos, but becomes part of your everyday life. Singezih Design specializes in creating high-quality souvenirs inspired by Taiwan. Each design captures the island's landscapes, culture, and travel stories, turning them into meaningful keepsakes from your journey. If you'd like to bring home a souvenir from Sun Moon Lake, don't forget to choose Singezih Design and take a piece of Taiwan's beautiful memories home with you. If you'd like to discover more travel destinations and recommendations in Taiwan, don't forget to subscribe to Singezih Design and explore more amazing places around Taiwan with us.